Welcome back everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your master even louder. So let's go! So here we are in the sequencer again, and I have the same track in front of me. Ladies, let's have a listen. So as you can see, the track is still averaging between the -5 and -4.5 decibels LUFS. And this is what happens when I start cranking the gain. So that didn't sound so good. The song started distorting as soon as I cranked the gain. So it looks like this is the maximum this song can handle. But I have a trick. Let's listen to the same song without a kick. So now you can hear that the song sounds very clean again, even though the gain is still at 14 decibels, just by turning off the kick. That means that the kick is the weakest link in the chain at this moment. So that's what we're going to address. So first I'm going to solo the kick, and then I'm going to open the sampler that is playing the kick. Next I'm going to select the release of the kick, and I'm going to pull it all the way to 0 milliseconds. And now you can hear the shortest version of that kick. It's just the beginning of the transients you're hearing. So now, while the gain of the standard clip is still at 14 decibels, I'm going to play the song, and I'm gradually going to give the kick more release until it starts distorting again, and then I bring the release back. So it looks like 120 milliseconds is about the maximum this song can handle. As soon as I went over 120 milliseconds, I could hear the distortion coming back, so I brought it back to 120 milliseconds, and then the song sounded clean again. So now we're going to solo the kick and listen to what 120 milliseconds sounds like. So the kick sounds great. It's not as long as it sounded before, but it's now short and punchy, just how it's supposed to be. So now let's have a listen to the master and see what the end result is. So now we are averaging at about -4 decibels, even going higher as -3.9, 3.8 decibels LUFS. And that's still without any distortion. So I hope to see you in the next video, and if you have any questions, leave them at the comments. Peace out!